Ready. Start. This application has been filed by the HDFC Bank Limited petitioner under Section 9 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 for grant of aid interim ex parte order for appointment of receiver to take possession of the Tata 4018 vehicle bearing registration number HR 46E 3956 from the respondents, their agents, or any person found to be in possession of the same. Petitioner has also prayed for their relief, including grant of police aid if required, in order to effect the recovery. This petition has been filed by the petitioner, though Sri Akshadip Sharma, Assistant Manager cum power of attorney holder of the petitioner bank. Petitioner has stated that the respondent co-borrower had approached the petitioner bank for grant of loan facility and financing of the aforesaid vehicle wide loan agreements number 82560997 and 82561012. The loan facility of rupees 19,50,000 and rupees 66,280 were granted to the respondents, which were to be repaid in 54 equated monthly installments. The petitioner, HDFC Bank Limited, has alleged that the respondents purchased the aforesaid vehicle with the amount of loan but defaulted in making the payment of installments, and as per the agreement, the petitioner is entitled to take possession of the vehicle. The petitioner has also placed on record copy of auto loan agreement, which has attribution clause. Learned counsel for the petitioner has contended that there is apprehension that respondents may dispose of subject vehicle, and if ad interim orders are not granted, the same may defeat the very purpose of filing the present petition, and the application under disposal, and the petitioner will suffer irreparable loss. Keeping in view all the facts and circumstances of the case, instant application is allowed, and Shri Pankaj Sharma, collection manager of petitioner bank, is appointed as the receiver in this case to take into his custody the vehicle bearing registration number HR 46E 3951 from the respondents, their agent, or any other person who is found to be in possession of the said vehicle. However, he will comply with the following directions. The receiver shall be at liberty to take the assistance of local police if required for taking the possession of the vehicle. SHO of the concerned police station shall provide assistance to the receiver as and when requested. At the time of taking the custody of the vehicle, the receiver shall deliver the copy of order to the person from whom the possession is taken. At the time of taking the custody of the vehicle, the receiver shall take photographs of the vehicle from different angles along with the person occupying the vehicles. The receiver shall prepare an inventory of the article, accessories found in the vehicle, and shall furnish the copy of the inventory to the person from whom the possession is taken. After taking the vehicle in his possession, the receiver shall keep the vehicle in safe custody, and if the respondent makes the payment of the outstanding installments as on the date of possession, the receiver shall release the vehicle to the respondent on superdari, subject to the undertaking by the respondent to the receiver for regular payment of future monthly installments till expiry of tenure, and a declaration not to part with the vehicle or create third party interest in the vehicle until the entire amount is paid. If the respondent is not in position to clear the entire outstanding installments, the receiver shall give him another opportunity to pay the outstanding installments within 30 days of taking over the possession of the vehicle, and in case the respondent makes the payment of the installments within the said period, the receiver shall release the vehicle to the respondent subject to an undertaking as aforementioned. If the respondent does not make payment of the outstanding amount to the petitioner within 60 days, the receiver, with the prior permission of the arbitrator, would be authorized to sell the subject vehicle in a public auction with a prior notice be sent by speed post AD of the date of auction to the respondent at the address mentioned in the loan agreement, or the address from where the vehicle is taken into possession, so that the Respondent may also be able to participate in the auction to enable the applicant to fetch maximum amount from the sale of the vehicle. The receiver shall carry out the video recording of the auction proceedings and shall submit the same before the arbitrator along with his final report. The petitioner shall refer the dispute to arbitration in terms of loan agreement if not already referred for appointment of an arbitrator within 4 weeks from today and inform the court in writing about the same on the next day with the aforesaid directions. Instant petition stands disposed of accordingly. A copy of this order be served upon the respondents through speed post and courier within 7 days of the passing of this order, and the receipt